G'day cocktail lovers. My favourite sort of cocktails are the boozy stirred down ones, particularly ones that New Orleans is famous for, and one of my all-time favourites is the Vieux Carre. There are quite a few riffs on that, and this is one of them, and it substitutes some Mezcal in place of the whiskey that's normally in there, giving it a Spanish name. This is the Plaza Vieja, which both of those names, Vieux Carre and Plaza Vieja, translate as the old square. It's a particular part of New Orleans. This was also an excuse to use some of my sexy clear ice. It just looks so good in the glass, but I really want to know how this one tastes because I've never tasted it before. That does not disappoint. Oh, it's got the richness I associate with a Vieux Carre, and the Mezcal is just giving it this earthy, smoky character. It's a really nice variation. I'll take you through the ingredients because there is a few of them. There is cognac in this, and I'm using this from Martell Blue Swift. This is technically not cognac. What it is cognac that's been finished in ex-bourbon barrels. And the rules around cognac, you can't market it as cognac if you do that. It has to be a new French oak. Martell, quite famous for their cognacs, have done a little bit of a twist and finished it in a bourbon barrel. I just thought that was appropriate for a drink that's usually cognac and whiskey, so some cognac that was finished in a whiskey barrel. As I said, there's Mezcal in place of the whiskey in this one. This is the one I have, Peloton de la Muerte, translates as Death Squad. A little bit heavy for a drink, but this is what gives it the nice smokiness. And there's two other more herbal elements in this. Amaro Montenegro rather than the sweet vermouth that's usually in a Vieux Carre, and there is a bit of benedictine, which you will usually get in a Vieux Carre and other New Orleans drinks as well, and they bring a lovely sweet and herbal element to this drink. Those elements all come together to form this really nice boozy number, the Plaza Vieja. This is how we make it. In a mixing glass, put 1 ounce or 30 mils of cognac, or the brandy of your choice, then 1 ounce or 30 mils of Mezcal, follow that with 1 ounce or 30 mils of Amaro Montenegro, and then around 1/3 of an ounce or 10 mils of benedictine, and then rounding things out, we're doing 1 dash of aromatic bitters and 2 drops of a saline solution to make the flavors pop. Add ice to the glass, stir that for 20 to 25 seconds to chill and dilute the drink, and then straining that into a rocks glass over a big chunk of ice, preferably sexy clear ice. I'm just going with a simple garnish of a strip of orange peel. And as I do like to promote when I use the sexy clear ice, it not only looks good, I've got the method that is very easy and doesn't need special equipment, and there will be a link, maybe right about now on the screen, to the video showing you how to do it. I kind of owe the inspiration of that to Uncle Pete from Uncle Pete's Cocktail Shop. My method's slightly different, but it's inspired by his method, and I do really like it. I like how it looks, and it's just fun to have this element in the cocktail. So I think you should try both making the clear ice and making the Plaza Vieja. Both guarantee you a good time in my book. And I hope you'll come back for a good time another time. Until I do see you again, I will say cheers.